Picked up another old box camera today. This is a fairly old one compared to some of the ones I have. It's got the brownie strap on it still, which hard to find. The strap's usually long gone on these old cameras. The camera's in fairly decent shape though. For its age, I've seen them a whole lot worse. Pop the back off here. Okay, here's the stuff in it. It says number 2 brownie model F. 1 million and something patent number. Pretty cool. Picked it up at the flea market. These are... Okay, here's up inside the camera. This camera is probably... I don't know. I would estimate this camera to be from the 30s. No later than the 40s, but it might be older than that because I've got like the Target model brownies. They're after this. This is the metal box where you basically spool your film, use big old film around this roller and then it looped down some way. I don't know. I'm no expert on how you load the film. I have bought these cameras before with the film in them, but it's just kind of neat. Now this front comes off as well. Okay, well that came off easy enough. Here's inside the front of the camera. Very interesting. These old box cameras are very interesting to me. It's got really cool designs too around this, like leather over top of metal. Really cool. All these little magnifying lenses and viewfinders up in here. Very, very neat. I want to show you also this camera will still work. This is all there is to the shutter. I mean, see it right there working. So if you had film, this old camera would still take pictures. A 70-year-old camera, 70 or 80 at least, still working.